yo, quand j'étais petite, ma mère elle m'a dit t'es on a mission, écris donc des lyrics puis prêche les vite. Tu veux du loot money mais ta plainte est vite. Tu vas être le tweet, 27 ans faire le kid. Faut tu pop campagne, Carmen champagne, grosse bébé mauve, touche le magicien.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. What's going on, guys? Back here again. Today we were showing off my car's exhaust system, and today we have Pete with me.
Yeah, we got the Z06.
And Kaylin in the back. So basically I'm gonna do a couple of revs with the car. Basically what we're doing today is we're gonna get a couple things done with First I'm gonna show you guys a clip of the car on the lift underneath it so you can see the exact setup, and then I will show you guys exactly what that setup is.
I'm on the forums.
I've had this setup on my car for some time now. It works really well. It sounds ridiculous. So I don't recommend putting headers on a car or high flow cats without getting a tune. As you guys know, I'm dyno tuned by Crazy House Customs, and the car sounds ridiculous. It performs awesome. But yeah, I definitely recommend getting a dyno tune if you are gonna get long tube headers or high flow cats or anything like that. So right now the exhaust setup is JBA long tube headers with JBA high flow cats, no mids, and just regular stock exhaust back. So I'm gonna give a couple rev videos of it, and then I'll do a couple of pulls with it.
That was cool. Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at BusterT345. If you guys have any questions or anything like that about the car, you could DM me on my Instagram. I didn't even realize I wasn't even looking at the camera at all this entire video, but I promise next video I got you guys. Subscribe. I'm going to be doing the installation of the Hellcat Supercharger on the 5.7. Full video, full review, everything, tuning, the full install, problems that we run into, everything. So make sure you subscribe. Peace.